DAJA V1 Mobile Phone Using Tutorials. Open Settings, click on Waffle. Find MR Carve. The password is. Click Connect. Click on CutLabs software. Click Connect. The IP is. Connect. Connected now. V1 Mobile Text Tutorial. Click to start your creation. There is a gallery below. Word. Graffiti. Let's carve some text. Enter the content you want to carve. After entering, click OK. The default text is linear. If you want to carve and fill, point parameter. Click on the line. Select Fill. This way, the text is filled in style. Click on the text to move it. Confirm the carving position. Click to preview. Adjust position. Click Preview. Click once to preview once. Click on Parameters. Number of times. Power. Spacing. The wooden board is relatively soft. You can lower the power a bit. Adjust to 50. Then use a speed of 5,000. Let's take a look at the carving effect. Preview for the last time. Engraving. The carving is a bit shallow. We can increase the power a bit. Try carving again. Reset the power. Click on Parameters. Adjust the power to 70%. Preview the location again. Adjust the position and preview again. Engraving. Compare it. This is a power of 70%. This is a power of 50%. Picture tutorial. Click on Gallery. Import an image. Crop size. Cut off all the white edges. After importing, click on the gray dot in the image. Can adjust image size. Then click on the parameters. W and H are width and height. You can manually input the desired ratio. For example, entering 40. The picture is too small. Preview it. Click once to preview. Click on the parameters again. Speed and power. These two are quite crucial. The higher the power, the larger the laser output, the deeper the carving, and then the speed. For example, 100. The slower the laser head moves, the deeper the carving. For example, 8,000. The faster the laser head moves, the shallower the carving. We use the default speed. Power 70%. Preview the location. Engraving.